These parents say their young daughter was injured at a Dallas daycare, and tonight they're ready to fight in court. Good evening and welcome to the High Def Update. Those parents filed a lawsuit today, and the daycare in question has fired one of its teachers. News 8's Craig Savali joins us now to explain all the details. Craig?
Oh, Gloria, the Children's World Stars in Tykes is located right inside the federal building here in back of me on Houston Street. Well, today they were slapped with this lawsuit here, claiming that one of the employees there at the center abused one of the children in her care. Now, this lawsuit here doesn't ask for money, but answers. And also, it's in addition to the answers, accountability for how this little girl got hurt.
She had a hand imprint on her left arm.
There was no way that it could be misconstrued as a fall. You know, I mean, it looked like a hand the second we noticed it.
But it was more than a few marks. Her parents say 18-month-old Delaney had a broken collarbone when they picked her up from daycare last November, an injury the family blames on the center and the very teachers whose care she was in.
It was believed that she had been crying for many hours because she had what they call petechia, burst of blood vessels in her eyelids.
Child care investigators agree. The state's Department of Family and Protective Services issued this report last month saying, quote, after investigation, my department has reason to believe Delaney was abused while in care at Children's World Stars and Tykes.
The parents' worst nightmare. They have filed this lawsuit because they want to hold this facility accountable.
The daycare center's appealing the decision and tells News 8 the employee is no longer working for our center. The other teacher has since returned to the center. She was not cited, and licensing has approved her return. As for little Delaney, she has not returned to the center since that day, and her parents said they have trouble trusting anyone with their little girl since.
Makes you question every little thing that when you leave your kid and you walk away from that door and your kid's looking back at you. You know, it's horrible.
Now, the Dallas Police Department is still investigating this case, but at this time, no criminal charges has been filed because investigators say they cannot pinpoint exactly who injured this child. Live in Dallas tonight, Craig Savali, Channel 8 News.